Introducing Stockser AI 2.0. This is an AI for Indian stock market analysis. We are excited to launch Stockser AI 2.0 as a minimum viable product, MVP. Stockser is an AI model designed for real-time Indian stock market analysis. Unlike generic AIs, Stockser AI processes live financial data, making it a game-changer in forecasting. We have released our first version of the model in the last February of 2024. In the last 1 year, we have observed the accuracy of the analysis and predictions around 43% to 63%, which is not correlated with the actual market sentiments. So we are thinking about developing a new model that could accelerate the accuracy rates in predicting trends. It took months to comprehensively develop an innovative model. Finally, we have developed two models, that is Watchman I2 and Data Basket. The purpose of the Watchman I2 is to observe market and generate reports every 15 minutes. To accelerate the accuracy in prediction, we have developed another module named Data Basket V.1.0. Data Basket is collecting all complex live data from exchanges and sorting, cleaning and organizing data for Watchman analysis. Do you know? It boosted prediction accuracy to 92%, to 98%, and often 100%. These data accuracy projections are based on the Stockser AI response of last 10 days. We witnessed the model succeeded capturing market trends consistently every market day, having accuracy rate more than 92%. So we thought it is the best time to make access to the public. One of the key features are an interactive AI chat module that retrieve live reports instantly using chat. The new version of Stockser AI is powered by Watchman Intelligence version 2 or Watchman I2. The module Data Basket is the backbone of the Stockser AI. The new version also improved our charting data visualization compared to previous version. It comes with a candlestick chart with RSI and MACD. For manual analysis, we set up a dashboard that helps manual analysis. In dashboard, you can use your Angel One account to fetch live data and prepare it using Data Basket and analyze using Watchman I2 instantly. The analysis result will displayed in the dashboard. In addition, you can generate AI reports of the manual analysis data for better comprehension. At present, the platform supports NIFTY, BANKNIFTY, SENSEX, BANKEX, MIDCPNIFTY. A notable point of accuracy and performance in Stockser AI 2.0. 92% to 98% forecast accuracy, reported in the last more than 9 consecutive days, which is based on Stockser AI reports, although we released our new version few days ago. When you open a new account, you will get 300 free tokens worth 300 rupees, in which you can explore the full functionality of the AI model. The cheapest pricing package is available upon consumption of full free tokens by adding 100 rupees minimum. The platform charges 0.44 tokens worth 0.44 rupees per chat and 0.98 tokens worth 0.98 rupees per manual scan and AI-generated reports. Here is the platform and try now.